Product name, KODAK Luma 150 Ultra Mini Pocket Pico Projector, built-in rechargeable battery speaker. The KODAK Luma Pocket Projector is a portable projector that can be easily carried around. It has a compact design and is equipped with a built-in battery that can last up to 90 minutes per charge. The projector supports up to 1080p input resolution and has an unusually sure focus control. However, it has a low native resolution of 640 by 360 pixels and a low 30 lumen rated brightness. It also lacks image adjustment settings. Here are the pros and cons of the KODAK Luma Pocket Projector. Pros: compact design, built-in battery rated at 90 minutes per charge, unusually sure focus control, supports up to 1080p input resolution. Cons: no image adjustment settings, low native resolution, low 30 lumen rated brightness. In conclusion, the KODAK Luma Pocket Projector is a great option for those who need a small projector for casual projecting on the fly. It is ideal for business or personal use and can be easily carried around. The product is available on Amazon is $219.99. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.